Hey there, my name's Kenny, and I wanted to thank you again for choosing 180 Contractors for your window replacement project. We are excited to enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. This short video will walk you through exactly what to do and to expect, and a few quick things you can help us do to prepare for your installation day. Number 1, delivery coordination. Our operations manager will be in touch to schedule your window delivery and go over any special details. Your windows will be delivered ahead of time and no dumpster is required. Our team will haul away the old windows for you. Number 2, window area prep. Please remove blinds, curtains, brackets, and window treatments. Furniture needs to be moved at least 3 feet away from the window. This ensures our crew has a safe, clear workspace and avoids damage to your belongings. Number 3, installation duration. Most window installations are completed in 1 to 2 days, depending on the number of windows on your home's layout. And that's it. Your project manager will keep you updated throughout, and if you have any questions, we're always happy to help. Thank you again for choosing 180 Contractors. We're very excited to get started.